technology. For more updates and details, please do like, share and subscribe.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपका दोस्त सैयद mansoor back with another interesting tutorial where we are going to learn how to do data validation in Microsoft Excel. Okay friends, let us understand what is mean by data validation and what is the use of data validation in Microsoft Excel. Friends, as you know, data validation means we are going to validate the data. In Excel, it is used to avoid wrong entries and restrict the user to enter the data or data type. So let us see friends, how can we do? So now what I'll do, I'll open Microsoft Excel by pressing Windows R. I'll press Windows R.
Windows R run dialog EXCEL.
Excel. I have opened the Excel.
Microsoft Excel left parent product.
Okay, now I have opened the Excel friends. Then what we'll do? So just imagine we are registering a candidate for the course. So we want a basic information of the candidates. So I'll write the basic information like in cell A1. I'll just type candidate name.
Sheet 1, candidate names A1.
Okay. Then in B1, I'll type age.
Age B1.
And in C1, I'll write
Gender C1.
gender. And in D1,
qualification. Contact those E1.
Contact number,
Hometown F1.
hometown,
Pin
code. So these are the headings. So what I'll do, I'll try to give the restriction for the data. So let's see friends, how can we give the restriction for the data?
Candidate names blank A2.
So candidate name. For candidate name, there's no need of giving the restriction for the data. So I'll give the name here.
MANSOOR.
Mansoor.
Blank B2.
And
Age blank B2.
second, we have a age. So the condition of ours is like a candidate age is between 18 to 40, then only the candidate is eligible for the course. No means the candidate is not eligible. So what I'll do here, I'll do the data validation friends. So how can I do data validation? So I'll go to data tab. I'll press Alt A.
All day. Upper ribbon data tab to change ribbons use.
Then I'll press tab till I'll get the option data validation.
Low data validation split button. Press
Yeah.
enter or space bar for more
I'll
options.
go here friends.
Menu low circle in data validation.
Then inside
alt
data
followed by
validation
AVV.
drop down, again I'll get one more data validation. So I'll enter here.
Enter. Data validation dialog. Settings page. Validation criteria. Settings tab.
Okay friends,
Error
here
alert tab. Input message tab to switch pages.
see friends, here it's a multi-page dialog box. Like we'll go to the setting tab.
Error alert tab. Settings tab to switch pages. Allow combo box any value to change the selection.
I'll
Use
press
the
yes
arrow.
friends. So it's asking allow. Default there will be any value. So that's why we are able to give any values. So I'll press here down arrow to see the options.
Whole number 2 of 8.
See friends, there's option whole number. Means if we give this, we can give only the whole numbers.
Decimal 3 of 8.
Then decimal numbers.
List 4 of 8.
List,
Date 5 of 8.
date,
Time 6
Time,
of 8. Text length 7
text
of 8.
length,
Custom 8 of 8.
custom. So these are the options. Like we can restrict the data
Text time
according
6,
to our
date,
requirement.
List decimal whole number
Like
2 of
if
8.
you want user to enter only the whole number, so we can select this whole number. If you want
Decimal 3 of 8.
user to give only decimal number, so we can restrict on decimal number.
List 4 of 8.
Equal list. So I'll explain you list later.
Decimal whole number 2
So
of
I'll
8.
give you a whole number because it's age, so it will come in whole number. Then I'll press tab.
Whole number 2 of 8. Data combo box between to change the
Okay, here
selection.
there's a
using
condition friends. Options are there like between,
Not between 2
not
of 8.
between,
Equal to 3
equal
of 8.
to.
Not between
I
1 of
select
8.
between.
Between 1 of 8. Minimum edit.
Minimum,
Toggle between
what's
edit
my-
mode. Num log on.
Minimum 18.
1 8. Maximum colon edit to
Maximum
toggle between edit mode.
40.
4, 0. Validation criteria. Ignore blank checkbox. Checked. A clear
Okay.
check mark.
Ignore
Press
blank should be
maximum
checked.
colon edit 40. To validation. OK button to
And I'll
activate.
click on
Press
OK
space.
button.
Space. Blank whole number input. Blank between 18 and 40. B2. A,
See friends,
B1.
now
Blank whole number input. Blank between 18 and 40. B2.
it's telling whole numbers. So I'll try to enter some data here.
Num lock off. Num lock on.
I'll just try to put 15.
1.
Fine.
5.
Enter.
Enter. Blank. Microsoft Excel dialog. The value you entered is not valid. A user has restricted values that can be entered into this cell. Retry button to active space.
Okay
15.
friends. Now I'll make it 18.
Blank.
It will take
1.
C.
8. Enter. Blank. B3. Book 1. 18. Whole number input. Blank between 18
Hope
and
friends
40.
you have
B2.
understood this first concept.
B, gender. C1.
Okay, next we have a heading called gender.
Blank. C2.
So friends, how can we write the gender? Like here, we can use the drop down. See friends, what is the benefit of drop down means? Like see, sometime what happen? We'll type male, M-A-L-E, maybe in capitals. One time we may write in small letters. It may happen the mistake. So when we do the filtering, that time we will not get a proper data. So that's why I'll try to put here data validation, means I use like a drop down.
Blank. C2.
Okay friends, I'll go to the data tab again.
All day. Upper ribbon. Data. Data validation. Dot space. Menu. Lower ribbon. Data tools group box. Data validation. Dot. Enter. Data validation dialog. Settings page. Allow colon combo.
Okay, allow colon. Here what I'll do, I'll press down
Whole
arrow.
number. Decimal 3. List 4 of 8.
So for the drop down friends, remember we should select list option. So I selected list, then do tab.
List 4 of 8. Source colon edit. The toggle between.
Okay, it's asking source. So I can give the source female,
F. E. A-L. E.
female, comma,
Comma.
male,
M. A-L-E.
comma, other.
O. T-A-E-R.
See friends, the drop down options which are there, we should be separate with the commas. Male, comma, female, comma, other I have given. Now do tab.
Validate. OK button to
Click on
activate.
OK
Press
button.
space. Blank has dropped down. Gender C1.
See friends,
Blank has dropped down. Blank C2.
see, have drop down is saying friends. Now I'll use all down arrow.
Not selected. Female. Male. Female. Male.
So I'll select male. Enter.
Enter. Male has dropped down. Blank C.
See,
Gender
friends.
C1. Qualification. Blank D2.
Now again I'll do for the qualification same thing. I'll do alt shortcut key, remember for the data validation, alt A,
All day. Upper ribbon.
V,
Menu. Look V.
V.
Leaving menus. Data validation dialog. Setting. Allow colon combo box. Any value to change.
okay
this.
friends, I press tab, any value,
Whole number. Decimal.
Decimal.
List 4
list.
of 8.
So I'll do tab here.
Source colon edit to toggle between edit
So
mode and
I'll
point
give,
mode in this
for
field.
example,
Press F2. Alt at B.
B dot
Period.
A,
A. Comma.
comma,
B.
B,
Period. C O M.
comma,
B. C. A. Comma. B. A.
B, C,
B.
A,
Dot
comma.
com. M. C O M. Comma. A. Comma. M. S. W.
okay friends, I have given the options, then do tab,
Validate. OK button.
OK
to
button.
space. Blank has dropped qualification. Blank has dropped down. Not selected. B. A. B.com. Ga. Megam. Ga.
I'll select
Enter. Ga
BCA.
has dropped down. Qualification.
Okay friends, now we'll go to the next thing.
Contact those E1.
So here we have contact number. So friends, now I want to restrict for the contact number. Okay, let's see how can we restrict for the contact number. See friends, mobile number will be always 10 digits. So what I can do, I will use the option length in data validation.
Blank E2.
Okay, I'll go to the data validation by pressing Alt A,
All day.
VV.
V. Data validation dialog. Settings page. Allow colon combo box any value to change.
Then it's asking allow colon. So I'll select here, press down arrow.
Whole decimal list date time text length 7 of 8.
So I'll select text length. Then press guys.
Data colon combo box between to change the selection.
Okay, here we have a condition like we have selected the length, like it should be how it should be between, not between, equal to, like this. So I'll select down arrow here.
Not between.
Not between.
Equal to.
Equal.
Not equal.
Not
to,
equal.
Greater than. Not equal to.
So I select here equal to, because I want 10 digits.
Equal to 3 of 8. Length colon edit type of text.
So it's asking length colon edit. So I'll give
1 0
10.
Validation. OK button to activate.
Click on OK button.
Space. Blank text length input. Blank equal to 10. E2 type 1 of the expected values and press enter.
See guys, it's telling equal to 10 length. So I'll give my phone number
9 8 4 4 2 3 5 3 2 6.
I'll then press enter.
Enter blank E3 9,844,235.
Yeah, it's taking because it's a 10-digit phone number, guys.
Text length in blank text length in
Now
blank
what I'll
equal
do,
to
I'll just try to give some 9 numbers. Let's see what happens.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
And I only have got 9 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Enter.
Blank Microsoft Excel dialog. The value you entered is not valid. Space 129.
Okay friends.
Blank.
Now I'll give the number
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0.
It will take.
Blank E3 book 1 1,200,000 contact knows E1.
Okay friends, hope you have understood this concept, and if you have any doubts friends, you can drop a mail to us at info@inclusiveglobe.com. and if you feel this is informative tutorial, you can share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, and one small like for me. Thank you friends for watching this tutorial.